Welcome to your 2026 guide on small bathroom remodeling. Today, we're showing you how to transform less than 50 square feet into a high-function masterpiece. Did you know that a small bathroom remodel is one of the highest ROI projects? You can expect to recoup over 70% of your costs at resale. In a space under 50 square feet, every inch matters. The goal is to maximize light and function without sacrificing style. The standard 5x8 layout is a classic. By choosing a pedestal sink, you can open up significant floor space and change the entire feel. Switching to a 3/4 bath layout by replacing a tub with a walk-in shower can add up to 15 square feet of usable space. Don't overlook the half bath. Even in 20 square feet, bold wallpaper and a statement mirror can make a huge design impact. When it comes to fixtures, wall-hung vanities are a game changer. They create visual space and make cleaning much easier. Choosing a compact round bowl toilet instead of an elongated one saves crucial inches of floor depth. Frameless glass shower doors eliminate visual barriers, making your bathroom look twice as large instantly. Strategically, light colors are your best friend. They reflect light and create an expansive, airy feel in small quarters. Counterintuitively, large format tiles make a small space feel bigger by reducing the number of distracting grout lines. A large mirror isn't just for vanity. It literally doubles the perceived space by reflecting the entire room. Maximize storage without adding bulk by using recessed medicine cabinets and shower niches built directly into the walls. Don't forget the vertical space above your toilet. Floating shelves offer open storage that doesn't block the light. Replacing a hinged door with a pocket door can save up to 6 square feet by eliminating the swing arc. Now, let's talk numbers. A small bathroom remodel typically ranges from $2,000 for a refresh to $18,000 for a full gut renovation. Expect a higher cost per square foot than larger rooms because plumbing and electrical labor remain relatively fixed. For the best return, focus on tub-to-shower conversions and updated lighting. These have the strongest buyer appeal. Avoid common pitfalls like choosing fixtures that are too large, which can make the room feel cramped and unusable. Never skip on ventilation. Small bathrooms trap moisture quickly, making a high-quality exhaust fan a non-negotiable. And remember, stay away from dark colors on walls. They absorb light and shrink the space visually. When hiring, look for contractors with specific experience in small spaces. The technical demands are higher when room is tight. Ready to start? BathEstimates.com connects you with certified specialists to provide free quotes for your project. Transform your small bathroom into a luxury retreat. Visit us online to get your free estimate today.